Hey guys, welcome. Today, we're reviewing the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, a fantastic option for both beginners and those looking to level up their photography game. If you're interested in grabbing this incredible camera at the best price, make sure to check out the link below for today's top deal. Let's start with the basics. 24.1 MP CMOS sensor. This powerful sensor allows you to capture images with incredible detail and clarity, making it perfect for everything from stunning landscapes to portrait photography. With 24.1 megapixels, every shot is crisp, vibrant, and full of rich detail, even when you're shooting in lower light conditions. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is its DIGIC 4+ image processor. This processor significantly improves image quality, reduces noise, and speeds up the overall performance of the camera. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, this advanced processor ensures faster image processing and vibrant colors, providing you with a more professional look for your photos. When it comes to shooting in high definition, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 doesn't disappoint. It offers full HD 1080p video recording, allowing you to capture sharp, cinematic quality videos with ease. Whether you're recording family moments, vlogging, or even shooting more serious content, the T7 gives you the flexibility to record stunning videos with smooth, crisp visuals. Pairing the camera with the 18-55mm lens makes it an excellent all-around starter kit. The 18-55mm lens covers a wide range of focal lengths, so it's perfect for shooting everything from wide-angle landscapes to detailed close-ups. The lens is versatile and adaptable to a variety of shooting situations, giving you the flexibility you need for both photography and video. A great feature of the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is its built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to easily connect the camera to your smartphone, tablet, or computer, making it incredibly simple to transfer your photos and videos. Whether you're sharing your shots on social media or backing up your work, the Wi-Fi connectivity saves you time and hassle, giving you the freedom to edit or upload on the go. The 3-inch LCD screen is clear, bright, and easy to navigate, giving you a clear view of your images and videos. It's also great for framing shots in live view mode when you're shooting at awkward angles or want to avoid using the viewfinder. For those new to photography, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is designed with user-friendly controls and automatic modes to make the transition to DSLR photography smooth. It also offers creative filters, helping you add artistic effects to your images without requiring advanced editing skills. The camera is built with a comfortable, ergonomic design, making it easy to hold for long shooting sessions. Whether you're snapping photos at family gatherings, capturing vacation memories, or getting into more serious photography, the T7 is comfortable and easy to handle. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to get into DSLR photography or upgrade their current camera. It offers exceptional image quality, reliable performance, and useful features that make it a joy to use. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this camera will help you take your photography and videography to the next level. If you're ready to get started with your photography journey or upgrade your gear, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is an excellent option to consider. For the best price, be sure to check the link below and grab your Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera today.